SpaceX just became the largest IPO in history, and 6 weeks later, it's already down 45% from its peak. This isn't a meme stock story. It's a story about what happens when a rocket company starts pricing itself like an AI infrastructure company. And the market hasn't decided yet if that's real. For 2 decades, SpaceX built its business on 2 things: reusable rockets and Starlink satellite internet. Then, in a merger reported earlier this year, it folded in xAI, Grok, and the Colossus AI compute platform that reportedly supports contracts with companies like Anthropic and Google. That's the SpaceX that went public on June 12th. Not a launch company anymore, but a hybrid, aerospace plus AI infrastructure. Here's the shape of the first 6 weeks. SpaceX priced its IPO at $135 a share, raising roughly $75 billion, the biggest capital raise in stock market history. Day 1, shares closed up about 19%, valuing the company near $2.1 trillion. Within days, the stock hit an all-time high around $226. As of this week, it's trading in the low 120s, down roughly 45% from that peak, and briefly dipping near its IPO price. Meanwhile, short interest AS bets that the stock will fall has grown from about 5% of tradable shares a month ago to roughly 32% today, according to data from S3 Partners. The pivot point was July 17th. As short bets kept climbing, CEO Elon Musk posted publicly that firms holding large short positions in SpaceX have, in his words, very low odds of surviving over time. The stock jumped roughly 6 to 7% the next session. That single post did more to move the price short-term than a week of trading data. The pivot point was July 17th. As short bets kept climbing, CEO Elon Musk posted publicly that firms holding large short positions in SpaceX have, in his words, very low odds of surviving over time. The stock jumped roughly 6 to 7% the next session. That single post did more to move the price short-term than a week of trading data. Watch 3 things from here. If the stock stabilizes and short interest starts unwinding before August 4th, that favors the normal cool-down read. If short interest keeps climbing into the earnings date, that's a market actively betting the AI story doesn't hold up yet. And the earnings report itself, SpaceX's first as a public company, due after the close on August 4th, will be the first real chance to check the AI infrastructure narrative against actual revenue. For your own tracking, August 4th earnings, the insider lockup expiration tied to that same window, and whether short interest, currently near a third of the tradable float, keeps rising or starts to fall. None of this is a signal to buy or sell. It's a signal of how unresolved this valuation still is.